Welcome to Alikare, and I'm THEA, guys. Please remember to subscribe, share, and comment under this video. Now, I know you see my tagline. Yes, I've waited 23 years before I have my next child, and I want a baby. So right now, I realize that my ovulation is happening like 2 or 3 times for the year, and I want to have it done before the year finish. I would have started earlier, but because of the whole COVID and so forth. So ladies, I know you're struggling out there to get pregnant, and I know I'm not the only one in this situation. Some are different, but in my case right now, I know to have a next child, it's not gonna be 1, 2, 3, because it's not gonna be 1, 2, 3, because what would happen is that because of how my body is reacting and my hormone, I know that I need to balance my hormone, and my hormone isn't balanced, so I have to work on my hormone. I also have to flush my tube, meaning my ovaries, make sure so everything is clear there, and make sure my body having less toxin, then put it that way. And I have to start doing some exercise, because exercise is good, so if I get pregnant I don't break down and get ill and so forth. So first I'm going to work on my exercise, and after exercising I will do a lot of stretching to stretch my build up my veins. The second thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to drink some herbs. I'm going to flush my tube. I'm going to use these herbs here, and I'll, as I show you these pictures, I'll just write the explanation why I'm using these herbs. Then after that, I'm going to also go to the doctor and have a test done to make sure that everything is okay with me. And I already checked and everything is okay with me, but it's just that I have to wait until I'm ovulating, especially because of the route that I'm taking to get pregnant. So I also have to prepare my mind mentally too. Next thing with us ladies who are eager to get pregnant, our body will be fine, but stress will stop us, because if you stress about it, it will cause you not to get pregnant. And I want to stay away from stress and focus definitely on being a new mother, a new mom to a child. Yes, so guys, make sure that you're not stressing. I hope you will join my journey and this part of me trying to have a baby. I will definitely put the videos on here, because really and truly it's a health video, it's a health process, and the process that I'm taking, which I'll update you in a next video, which route I decide to take to have a next child. My body is not the same as when I was a teenager, because I have my baby as I turn teen. So I need, my body as an adult now is missing that. My heart, my soul, my everything, I need a next child, and my clock is ticking to reach that era where, you know, they said that if you get pregnant you will be in a difficult stage, you'll be at risk, and I don't want that to also catch me, and I really need a next child. So stay tuned and listen out for my update video, and maybe I'll say I'm pregnant, or maybe I'll tell you guys how I'm gonna get pregnant. I'd rather not share that on social media, how I'm gonna get pregnant, because I know some people are a little bit on edge because they don't understand. But if I want something, I don't think I should wait on anyone to get it. I think I should get what I want, and everybody do things their different way, and anything that seems different to people and things that they don't understand, they will get angry about it and they will question it. So because I don't need anybody approval, I won't say how I'm getting pregnant just as yet, but just to tell you the herbs that I'm using to prepare my body and the whole mental aspect and health aspect of it, and just to share my journey with, especially with ladies out there who are trying to get pregnant. One of the next thing, ladies, if you're trying to get pregnant, yeah, make sure that you know when you're ovulating, because that is very important. And also make sure that you are not eating certain type of food, because certain type of food can slow the process of you getting pregnant. I will list the fruits here. Because during the time we were ovulating and we're not getting pregnant, those egg, you ever see a bird nest and the bird don't hatch, but the little egg shells them are there, just stay there building up. You need to get that out, you need to clean it out. Even though our menstrual supposed to clean it out, sometimes it doesn't happen. So that's what we're working on, guys, clean out the body. Thank you for watching.